Do you know all the alphabets from F to Z? Today, there's an opportunity to not only revisit these alphabets but also learn a couple of examples for each. Starting with the letter F, pronounced as EF. It's the first letter of words like flower, a beautiful part of a plant, and fruit, a tasty and healthy food group. Moving on to G, pronounced as G. This letter starts words such as giraffe, the tallest animal on earth, and guitar, a popular musical instrument. Next, we have the letter H, pronounced as H. Two examples of words that start with H are house, the place where we live, and happiness, a feeling of joy and contentment, the letter I, pronounced as I. It's the starting letter of ice cream, a favorite dessert for many, and island, a piece of land surrounded by water. J, pronounced as J. It begins words like jungle, a place filled with trees and wildlife, and joy, a feeling of great pleasure. K, pronounced as K. This letter starts words such as kite, a fun toy to play with on a windy day, and kitchen, a place where meals are prepared. Next in line is L, pronounced as L. Words that start with L include love, a deep affection, and lion, the king of the jungle. M, pronounced as M. It's the first letter of words like moon, our natural satellite, and mountain, a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface. N, pronounced as N. This letter begins words like nature, the physical world collectively, and night, the period of darkness in each 24 hours. O, pronounced as O. It's the starting letter of ocean, a vast expanse of sea, and owl, a bird known for its nighttime activity. The letter P, pronounced as P. It starts words such as penguin, a flightless bird, and piano, a large keyboard musical instrument. Next comes Q, pronounced as Q. Words that start with Q include queen, a female ruler, and quilt, a warm bed covering. R, pronounced as R. It's the first letter of words like rainbow, a multicolored arc in the sky, and river, a large natural stream of water. S, pronounced as Ease. This letter begins words like sun, the star at the center of our solar system, and snow, precipitation in the form of ice crystals. T, pronounced as T. It's the starting letter of tree, a tall plant with a wooden trunk, and tiger, a large carnivorous feline. The letter U, pronounced as U. It starts words such as umbrella, a device for protection against rain or sun, and universe, all existing matter and space. V, pronounced as V. Words that start with V include volcano, a mountain with a crater, and violin, a four-string musical instrument. W, pronounced as W. It's the first letter of words like wolf, a wild carnivorous mammal, and wind, the natural movement of the air. Next is X, pronounced as X. This letter begins words like X-ray, a type of radiation, and xylophone, a musical instrument. Y, pronounced as Y. It's the starting letter of yacht, a medium-sized sailing boat, and yellow, a primary color. And finally, we reach Z, pronounced as Z. It starts words such as zebra, a wild horse with black and white stripes, and zoo, a place where animals are kept for display. In summary, we explored alphabets from F to Z, learning their pronunciation and two examples of words that start with each letter. From F for flower and fruit to Z for zebra and zoo, this journey through the alphabets has hopefully been informative and enjoyable. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding it starts with the basics, the alphabets.